This is just a vanity plate, doesn't come with the vehicle. You can see the new tires. That's the awning. Let's see. New plastic on the bumper, added a step. That's your generator, I believe. Right there. You can see the shine on that. Yep, the engine was removed from this 2002 because we got it, something hit it, the engine broke outside. So we are replacing the engine. And this is the only reason this is salvaged. We are doing the DMV VIN verification here. It has the awning, and you can see the shine on the paint. New upgraded bumper. They put a new bumper with the step on it. This vehicle was salvaged because insurance company salvaged it because of the damaged engine or something. So we replaced the engine with the one we had with 20,000 miles on it. The vehicle is in immaculate condition. We are doing the salvage revive to a California regular title. When we buy these vehicles from the insurance auction, we go through rigorous inspection for highway patrol, DMV, VIN verification, brake and light safety inspection. So we can turn these red salvage certificate to regular California title that says rebuilt in the corner. It's a regular title. This is the condition of the air conditioning cover, the roof, the skylight. You can see everything is nice and shiny, no rust, no holes, nothing. These are the tire condition. We didn't replace it, but they look new, brand new. This is the trunk section. Usually they have lots of rust here, nothing. Your spare tire. Your rear wiper, some people remove it. And that's the bar for the awning. That's your plug-in for the generator, and that's your cord that's plugged in to the outlet. And that's your solar backup camera, which makes it very convenient to back up and drive anywhere. Truly, you can see the shine here. You know, when we make these videos, these units are nice and shiny and clean. And of course, when we ship them, we will just wash it. That's the only time. And we don't get to wash them when it's dirty inside a storage facility. There's a lot of dust and environmental on it. But you can see once it's washed, you can see how beautiful and shiny this unit has. This here is before you make the bed. You can see the condition of the carpet, the upholstery. You can see the headliner, how clean it is. No leaks whatsoever around here. Usually they have a lot of black stains. And now this becomes a bed. The turntable comes out. You pull the table out and it becomes like that. This is extra space for your cooking area. That's your water running. That's your stove. This is your closet. You can see which model it is. 2002 QD, and that's the VIN number. Okay, this here is your water heater, furnace for the winter time, and this is the heater while you're driving. The back passengers, they have full heating system where from the engine heat. This is your beautiful pull-out shower. You can see, and this is your shower drain. Your sink, and let's try the toilet. Make sure everything works for. Yep. Everything gone through a 50 points inspection. Whatever it doesn't work, we fix and then we ship. The QD is capable of entertaining for your guests for sleeping. These middle seats, you become completely a bed section here, both of them. And there is this cushion, you see, it goes in between here. So this whole area sort of like becomes a bed section. You open that and you can see the fan circulating beautifully. You can see both stoves on, tested. Brand new audio box, DVD, TV player combination. Light turns on when you open the door, you enter, and this light is outside light. You can see it's working. Beautiful. That's your furnace thermostat. I just turned it on and you can feel the heat coming. Beautiful. This is only for cold climate areas. In California, we don't use it too much. This shows your levels, and your generator starts from here, and you can see the generator start running right now. It has a working generator. We just had it serviced. Usually Rialtas don't have very reliable generator, but this one has. And that's your water pump. This here is a propane section. Again, you see it's very clean, no rust whatsoever. Really beautiful. This is where you fill up the water for freshwater tank. You can see the new tires. You can see the water temperature, hot water heater. So you know this is the test that you can see the water, hot water heater is working. This is your roof AC. Working beautifully. microwave. This is your rear air conditioning, rear heater, auxiliary jump start for emergency purposes. You can see how clean everything is. Truly kept in excellent condition. As you can see, there is no check engine whatsoever. We just added a new Bluetooth AM/FM stereo system with new backup camera. Replace the engine, replace the battery, service the generator, do the 50 points rigorous inspection. Now I can show you the outside. I can show you the new engine. Well, used engine, but low miles. Pearls like baby. You can see condition. Has all the books, all the keys for the compartments and everything. It's the generator area. That's the fridge. You can see it's on, and that's the temperature. This vehicle maybe shows 140,000 on the body, but since the engine was replaced, it's got like 30,000 miles and it drives so smooth, so powerful. It's like amazing condition, this vehicle. Really superb condition.
We at Cars for Movie are proud to present always very unique vehicles.
A dealer is going to deliver this car to our home.
Never leave home, never leave home.
My dad says the goal is a happy camper at the end. We specialize on smaller class B RVs and specialty unique cars. The Ariani family has been in automotive business for almost 40 years. We can also do video call. We offer door-to-door free shipping and 30-day warranty nationwide.
Vehicles pass through a 50-point inspection. We make sure major mechanical components are checked and in good working order. If any major parts that need to be replaced or serviced, we have it done. Second step is the interior restoration. Full detail to a major blemish or damage repaired. Our primary sales are through sight unseen internet buyers customers. Once we are funded, we ship immediately. Customer satisfaction is our #1 priority.